Say hi to them, Lala. Let's go. Let's go, kids. Sa mga guardians or parents ng kids outside the event area, pumunta sila to take pictures or video. Kids lang po ang nasa loob ng event area po to occupy the space. And kids are sideward! Arm sideward mo! O yung iba harap dito kay Lala. Ayan, good job! Arms sideward, arms forward. Pwede harap kayo dito. Ayan, good job. O yung mga malalaking kids sa likod po. Hi. Lala, you have a cake and flower. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Louder! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lala Chan! And Timmy! Ayan! So before we start our game, yes, Lala, may hinanda daw siyang dance. So meron siyang 2 basic steps na ituturo. O harap po dito, kuya. O susundan natin si Lala. Ano yung first step, Lala po? You will shake your... Ayan, yes, Lala. Pero bago tayo mag-dance, takantahan muna natin siya ng happy birthday, syempre. Dahil birthday ni Lala ngayon, her 5th birthday po. 5 years old na si Lala. Oh, kids, let's all sing her a happy birthday, okay? And God, clap your hands.
Until the morning light.
Clap your hands again. Very good. Then stop and look around. Okay. So, iba ang game natin ngayong hapon. Dahil birthday ni Lala, ang game natin is Lala Chan Sex.